Timemo Global Limited. We come your way again with automobile air conditioning tips day 25. Brought to you by Timemo Global Limited. Excessive sweating on air conditioning pipes is a signal of a fault. If you see excess sweat or your pipe is partially iced, is a signal of fault, and which need to attend to it. And some of the possible cause of this is low on refrigerant. If the system is low on refrigerant, the pipe would ice up. So it's left for you now to be able to understand the system and know which pipe, because in air conditioning system we have two pipes. One is bigger, one is smaller. So the smaller is your high pressure side. The bigger is your suction side, which is your liquid line. So you should be able to know, okay, if this one should ice, this is the problem. If this one should ice, and this is the problem. And number two is block or dirty cabin air filter. If your cabin air filter is being dirty, it will restrict airflow across the evaporator coil, which will make that your pipe, your liquid line, to oversweat or start icing up. And number three is restricted airflow across the evaporator, just as I rightly mentioned. When your filter dryer is off, your evaporator filter is being choked up. When your evaporator itself also is being choked up, it will not allow the air to flow across the evaporator coil, and that will make your liquid line to be oversweat or partially ice up. Faulty expansion valve or orifice tube. Yes, in automobile air conditioning system, we have expansion valve, we have orifice tube. Depending on the design, depending on the manufacturer and the year of the car, we have two things, and both of them does the same thing, causing pressure drop and regulating the amount of liquid refrigerant that will go into your evaporator. So if your expansion valve or orifice tube is faulty, it will also cause this. Poor or damaged insulation. Some of these pipes are being insulated, so if the insulation is damaged or poor, it will also cause liquid line to oversweat, and the problem with this thing is that it will reduce cooling efficiency. If this will happen, it will reduce cooling efficiency. It will make your compressor to overwork, yes, and possibly failure. Water will also drip inside your cabin or at the engine bay. When this is the evaporator is being iced up and the water tray cannot contain enough water to make that water to start dripping inside your car. So you need to pay attention to this. And also it will also cause long-term damage to your AC component. What do you have to do? Check for refrigerant leak before refilling. If you notice this, you need to check if your air conditioning system is less on refrigerant. And of course, this can happen if there is a leakage in the system. And where does this leakage normally come from? It could be from your compressor body, which is the main seal. It could be from the compressor shaft seal. It could be from the hoses. It could be from your spreader valve. It could be from your evaporator. It could be from where you have hoses joined together, because where you have two hoses joined together, we have a o-ring there. If that o-ring should deform, it will start leaking from there. So you need to pay attention to all this. You need to check it. Inspect and replace your cabin air filter if it is dirty and choked up. Confirm proper airflow across your vent. Be sure that your vents are not being blocked, they are not being closed. There are some vents that have knob that you can close it. Check and be sure that it's not closed and air is going out and cooling the cabin evenly. Inspect your expansion valve and orifice tube operation. Inspect them, it is bad. Ensure that pipes are properly insulated. I want to believe that these few tips are useful. Kindly share to benefit others, and don't forget to follow Timemo for more automobile air conditioning tips. Remember, knowledge saves costs. Thank you and stay safe as we see you tomorrow.